Mido watches epitomize a harmonious blend of timeless elegance and Swiss watchmaking precision. With a legacy spanning over a century, Mido has consistently delivered timepieces that marry innovation with aesthetic sophistication. Renowned for their architectural inspirations, each Mido watch reflects meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. From the iconic Baroncelli collection to the robust Ocean Star, Mido watches exhibit versatility and reliability, catering to diverse tastes and lifestyles. Embracing horological innovation, Mido remains a testament to refined design, mechanical excellence, and an unwavering commitment to creating timepieces that transcend trends, appealing to the discerning connoisseur. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 9. Mido Watch Men Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic Mido Caliber 80. In black exudes a perfect blend of robustness and style. Encased in durable stainless steel, this timepiece boasts a sleek black dial with luminous markers and hands, ensuring excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. Its standout feature is the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, renowned for its reliability and enhanced power reserve of up to 80 hours. With a water resistance of 200 meters, it's ideal for water-related activities. The watch features a unidirectional rotating bezel, adding functionality for diving or outdoor pursuits. Complemented by a comfortable black rubber strap, the Ocean Star 200 Automatic embodies Mido's commitment to quality, durability, and elegant design, appealing to individuals seeking a dependable yet stylish timepiece for both casual and active wear. Number 8. Mido Commander Big Date _M021.62622.03 represents a perfect fusion of classic design and modern functionality. Encased in stainless steel, this timepiece features a refined silver dial with sleek indexes and Dauphin-style hands, evoking an elegant and timeless aesthetic. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date window at 6 o'clock, offering enhanced readability. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it ensures precision and durability. The watch's classic design is complemented by a brown leather strap, adding a touch of sophistication. The Commander Big Date exemplifies Mido's commitment to crafting timepieces that blend style and practicality, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a sophisticated yet versatile watch suitable for various settings, from formal occasions to everyday wear. Number 7. Mido Men's Automatic Diving Watch Ocean Star 200 Sea Green 042.43011.09 watch encapsulates a perfect combination of ruggedness and elegance. Encased in sturdy stainless steel, this timepiece boasts a captivating green dial adorned with luminescent markers and hands, ensuring exceptional visibility in low-light conditions. Its unidirectional rotating bezel and water resistance of 200 meters make it well-suited for diving and aquatic activities. The standout feature is the automatic movement, known for its reliability and accuracy, providing robust performance. The watch is presented with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet, emphasizing both durability and style. Number 6. Mido multifort chronometer _M038.43 111.09700 epitomizes a harmonious convergence of precision and style. Encased in durable stainless steel, this timepiece features a captivating black dial with luminous silver tone hands and markers, ensuring optimal readability in various conditions. This watch achieves COSC certification as a chronometer, signifying its remarkable accuracy and reliability. Its automatic movement, known for its precision and performance, upholds exceptional timekeeping standards. The multifort chronometer combines practical functionalities with an elegant design, emphasizing its versatility for both formal occasions and daily wear. Number 5. Mido Commander Big Date 261,261,106,100 anthracitesteel 1 size. Exemplifies a timeless design coupled with contemporary functionality. Encased in durable stainless steel, this timepiece features an anthracite dial with refined silver-tone hands and indexes, evoking a classic and sophisticated allure. Its standout feature is the prominent big date window at 6 o'clock, offering enhanced readability. Equipped with a reliable automatic movement, it ensures precision and reliability in timekeeping. The watch's classic design is complemented by a stainless steel bracelet, emphasizing both durability and style. The Commander Big Date epitomizes Mido's commitment to creating watches that blend elegance with practicality, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a refined yet versatile timepiece suitable for various occasions from. Number 4. Mido Commander Blue Shade 8429.325.11 presents a harmonious blend of sophistication and vintage charm. Encased in stainless steel, this timepiece features a captivating sunburst blue dial with silver-tone hands and indexes, exuding elegance and a timeless aesthetic. The retro touch is enhanced by the domed sapphire crystal reminiscent of classic designs. The Commander Blue Shade houses a reliable automatic movement known for its accuracy and durability. Its genuine leather strap in a matching blue shade complements the watch's overall appeal, offering both comfort and style. This watch exemplifies Mido's dedication to crafting timepieces that harmonize classic design elements with modern reliability, catering to individuals seeking a refined yet distinctive watch suitable for various settings, from formal gatherings to everyday wear. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is a remarkable timepiece that seamlessly combines functionality and style. Boasting a striking design, this watch features a world time function, allowing the wearer to effortlessly track time across 24 time zones. The decompression bezel not only adds a sporty aesthetic, but also serves as a practical tool for divers, enabling them to calculate their diving time. With a robust stainless steel case and a water resistance of up to 200 meters, this timepiece is not only elegant, but also built for adventure. The Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is a testament to Mido's commitment to creating watches that are both reliable and visually captivating, making it an ideal companion for the modern globetrotter and adventurer. Number 2. Mido Watchman Commander Gradient Automatic Mido Caliber 80 Base Edict C0's 7.611 watch. Combines style and precision. Encased in durable stainless steel, this timepiece features a captivating gradient blue dial that transitions elegantly from dark to light tones, complemented by silver-tone hands and markers, enhancing its visual appeal. The standout feature is the Caliber 80 automatic movement, renowned for its accuracy and extended power reserve of up to 80 hours, providing longevity and reliability. This watch seamlessly blends a timeless design with innovative technology, offering both elegance and performance. Paired with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet, the Commander Gradient Automatic underscores Mido's commitment to crafting sophisticated and reliable watches for individuals seeking a balance of refined aesthetics and precise timekeeping. Number 1. Mido Rainflower M043.20716.131100 embodies elegance and sophistication in its design. Encased in durable stainless steel, this timepiece features a captivating white mother-of-pearl dial adorned with delicate floral patterns, enhancing its aesthetic allure. The dial is accentuated by diamond hour markers and silver-tone hands, adding a touch of luxury and refinement. Powered by a precise quartz movement, it guarantees accurate timekeeping. The watch is elegantly presented with a stainless steel bracelet, emphasizing both durability and style. With its graceful design inspired by nature and the incorporation of high-quality materials and craftsmanship, the Mido Rainflower M043.20716.131100 caters to individuals seeking a distinctive and elegant timepiece suitable for various occasions, reflecting Mido's dedication to blending artistry with functionality in their watch designs.